Well, I figured y'all would enjoy seeing a patrol video. Look. What are you doing, Cody? Wilson! Where, Wilson? See, if anybody can make an animal do feel love, Wilson was a completely wild dog when I got him. It wasn't wild, but I mean, he wasn't my dog a couple weeks ago. He's just wandering around the yard and he stays close to his daddy. Wilson! Get back here! See, Cody is blind. See? Look at him. Look at the blind eyes. That's cool. He's in the dark. He's in the blind. Kind of like us and God. God kind of keeps us in the dark sometimes. Here come my good boy. Come here, you little demon. Come here. Beast. Come here, beast. See, look. This is a beast. This is my beast. Now, if you run off, who's going to protect your daddy from bears, huh? Come here. Come over here and say hi to everybody on the internet. Hey. He said, I'm more interested in running around, Daddy. And I've been in the house all day. Come home. I chewed up my daddy's rug that he had over the door like a bad dog. Yeah, chewed up the rug over the door. And the house fought back, see? Because I've been telling him for a couple of days not to chew up that rug, right? Because he completely chewed up my good blanket. My big, thick blanket. So we just had this little other blanket. So I come in, bless his heart, and he had chewed up that blanket, and it tied him up. It had him tied up so tight I had to cut it off of him with a knife. I told him while I was cutting off him, I said, you do what your daddy tells you not to do. You get in trouble. We're on patrol. Wilson, get back here. If you want to run up that hill, no. Good boy. That dog can literally run around 90 miles an hour.